Gaming consoles and PCs are getting more and more expensive. AAA titles have huge downloads, expandable storage is at a premium, ray tracing is gorgeous if your GPU can handle it, but what if you could just click play? No downloads, no updates, and honestly, no $1,000+ plastic box needed. This has always been the promise of cloud gaming. But can it deliver? Let's find out. Hey everyone, I'm Trisha Hirschberger, and welcome to the wild world of cloud gaming. The ultimate promise of playing anything, anywhere, on pretty much anything with a screen, as long as you have a solid connection. So how does this wizardry actually work? It's pretty simple. Instead of your local PC or console doing the heavy lifting, the game is running on a massive, super-powered server miles away in a data center. When you press a button on your controller, that command shoots across the internet, the server processes it, and it streams the video right back to your device. It's exactly like Netflix, except for you're directing the action. Major players are already dominating this space. You've got NVIDIA GeForce NOW, which lets you stream the PC games you already own. Then there's Microsoft's Xbox Cloud Gaming, serving up a massive rotating library of titles directly through Game Pass Ultimate. Even Sony is in on the action with PlayStation Plus Premium, letting you stream everything from modern hits to nostalgic PS2 classics. It's basically like renting your entire gaming experience rather than buying. And in a world where many are priced out of buying altogether, will it emerge as the primary way people play? The perks are obvious. You get instant play, zero storage worries, and the ability to play a massive game on your smartphone, cheap tablet, or a 5-year-old laptop. It's a casual gamer's paradise. But let's keep it real. It's not all sunshine and rainbows. Cloud gaming has a massive Achilles heel: your internet connection. If your Wi-Fi is spotty or someone else in the house starts streaming a 4K movie, your game can instantly turn into a blurry, stuttering mess. Plus, there's the dreaded input lag. For casual, story-driven games, it's totally fine. But if you're a hardcore competitive player trying to hit a pixel-perfect headshot in a fraction of a second, that tiny delay between your button press and the action on screen will drive you absolutely crazy. Another big drawback is the compression of the visuals. Cloud gaming is a fine experience, but it isn't going to compare to running a game off local hardware when it comes to visual fidelity. You also cannot play anything offline, ever. And there's the question of ownership. With cloud streaming, you don't actually own the system or the digital disc. You're at the mercy of subscription libraries and changing licenses. Games and the ability to play everything can vanish overnight. For some, cloud gaming will probably be the best way to play. The much lower price, expansive game library, and ease of use even on budget hardware is pretty awesome if your internet can handle it. But it's been around for a while now and hasn't really taken off to the degree many expected. You may ask yourself why that is, and for me, I'd say because the drawbacks are still too pronounced for serious gamers. For those who are seeking a more premium gaming experience where the input is responsive and you get the full visual fidelity and you want to play offline and own your own games, hardware-based gaming is still the way to go, if you can afford it. The cloud isn't taking over just yet, but it's giving us a pretty awesome new way to play. Yes to cloud gaming or no? Let us know in the comments. See you next time.